In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Workload View in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to see who's working on what, spot overloads, and make smarter scheduling decisions. First, open ClickUp in your browser and sign in. Once you're on the main dashboard, head to the left sidebar and click on Spaces. Spaces are the big containers for your teams or departments, so this is where Workload pulls its data from. Choose the space that holds the projects and tasks you want to manage. If you work across multiple spaces, pick the one most relevant to the capacity planning you need today. Inside that space, look toward the top of the screen and open the View options. From the available views, select Workload. This switches your layout from lists or boards into a timeline that shows work distributed across your team or resources. Now let's get the view working for you. Use the settings and display options to customize what you see. You can toggle between daily, weekly, or monthly timelines depending on how granular you need to plan. If you manage a fast-moving team, daily can be great for fine-tuning. If you're planning sprints, the weekly view usually gives the right balance. Next, apply filters to cut out the noise. Filter by assignee to focus on a specific person, by status to hide closed tasks, or by tag or priority to surface what matters most. Filters don't delete anything, they just refine the view so you can make decisions faster. Workload really shines when you use time estimates in the daily schedule. Add or adjust time estimates on tasks so the system can visualize capacity accurately. In daily schedule mode, you'll see each person's planned hours stacked across the day. If someone is over capacity, that will be clear at a glance, and you can redistribute tasks to balance the load. A quick drag and drop to a different day or assignee can relieve a bottleneck without changing the underlying work. Finally, if you spot a gap or need to plan ahead, add a task right from the workload view. Choose the correct list, set an assignee, add a due date, and include an estimate so it slots into the schedule properly. The more consistent you are with estimates and dates, the more accurate your workload becomes. That's it. Go to ClickUp, open your space, switch to workload, customize, filter, align estimates with schedule, and add tasks directly as you plan. Save your view settings so you can revisit the same configuration later, and review workload regularly to keep your team balanced and your projects on track.